Registration in MyPortal is similar to WebAdvisor. Click on Registration on the left under WebAdvisor, then click on Register and Drop Classes. Click on Search and Register for Classes. Every term, you must update your personal profile. The link is under Personal Information. Select the term, location, and at least one subject. The list of subjects is alphabetical. For example, select English, then 1A for the course. Sometimes you must also select a WRC lab with certain English classes. Next, click Submit. Select the class or classes that works with your schedule. If the class is waitlisted, you can still select the class. After you've selected the classes, click Submit. The next step is to register for the classes. Select the Register option from the drop-down next to the class. If the class is waitlisted, select Waitlist, then click Submit. If you receive any red error messages, please read them carefully. Try registering for one class at a time. Verify the classes by selecting My Class Schedule under Registration. Select the term and all class activity, then click Submit. Registered and waitlist class information displays at the bottom. Click the class title to see important dates and deadlines. If you want to drop classes, click on Register and Drop Classes. Select Drop Classes. Select the checkboxes next to the class or classes you want to drop. Then click Submit. Once you click Submit, it cannot be reversed. Verify the class has been dropped by checking My Class Schedule. The status will show dropped for the class. Thank you for watching this tutorial.